Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture I'm going to show you how to speed up coding and increase productivity in less time. Is it possibly with the help of using AI assistants to make programs and productivity? Let me check and ask this Tab9 AI to do something for me. Let's see here. Just I'm trying to asking putting hashtag means it's a comment line. Based on this comment line, AI assistance is going to be providing some assistance. Yes, write a calculator program. Just I'm typing my comment line. Comment line will always ignored by compiler. Yes, in Python compiler hashtag lines are going to be ignored. Also you can use as a comment this hashtag lines as a documentation reference purpose. So write a calculator program and call this. Simply just what the language I know, I just written this. See, when I hit and enter at the end of this particular line of comment line, what happening here you may observe. It's a DEF is nothing but, and when I am placing my mouse here, it is showing something like a Tab9 starter package at the end. You may observe here. And next, if you want to take a next suggestion, it's asking Alt plus right square braces point, right square brace option, and previous it's a left square brace option. And accept this suggestion. If you want to accept, you just tab key from your keyboard, and you want to cancel this suggestion, you just simply press escape. By simply pressing escape, you just close it. You won't get it. And you want to get it. At the end you can place the cursor, hit and enter. AI assistance is understanding your query. The comment it is understanding, it is generating the next suggestions it would be. How beautiful. Similarly, in real world and business logics and real problems, you just type hashtag and what in your mind. It may be variables you can attach, and it may be like a functionality you can write. It will give you suggestions. It's like a two methods only it's given, like a two functions. DEF is a keyword to defining a function in Python, and add is a one function name of the function. We'll learn step by step, don't worry. So when I'm pressing tab, it's accepting. It is given. See, Tab9 Pro Advanced Completion means it's a starter. So few functions only it's given. If you want to complete calculator program, it is saying that Tab9 Pro offers whole line of function code completion, which are not included in the free version. It is suggesting. You don't worry. For learning purpose, it is a suggestion. It's helpful. If you want to make it like a Tab9 Pro, yeah, you can try it. Entire calculator program, you will get it. Or else, if you want to try with the starter, what you need to do, here it is in a simple trick. You just see, when you hit enter, it's like AI is suggesting one more function. When you type enter, first one is tab, add, subtract, multiplication, divide. So you can go for next power, you can go for next modulus, you can go for next square, you can go for next cube. How many functions it is coming? Square root, cube root, factorial. So defining factorial, return factorial. When you click hit and enter, it's when you taking into the zero position. Now you see it's many. Write a calculator program. See, many of the functions it is generated automatically at your code editor itself, not any other place. Really, will it be increase your productivity? Beautiful. And now you keenly observe, just I don't know how to call this functionality. What I am trying to doing here, call this function, hit enter. See, Again one function, calculator ABC. Calculator is an ABC, it is a created. Just a second, call this function. And you take a tab to accept. If C, user interface, it will ask. If C, return. If if else statements, what it is trying to doing, it's making decision making. What user is entering, plus entering, minus entering, divide entering, elif, all the decision making systems it is generating. Starter, with the starter only, it is line by line suggestions it is giving, and it's asking go for pro or advanced. So if you are willing to go, it will complete whole program, it will create for yourself. Yes, really, it's really, yes, make it AI invalid option, return 0. Now it will yes, call this function. See, define main. Now all the whole program it is creating. Am I doing any line of code till now? I am not written a line of code. Only I written hashtag and write a calculator program and prepare call the function. These are the things only I am writing. See, input, enter first number, second number and operator. So define main means main will called when I run this program. And let me try to run this, run welcome. See, run welcome. Okay, so till it is we required to, yes, call the main. Now run the function, enter the first number, it is asking 5, enter the second number 5, enter the operator, it is a plus operator I am trying to calling. Wow, result it's a 10, 5 plus 5. So whole calculator program it is written. See, all the source code you can use it freely. See, whole how many lines of code it is written till 68 lines. Maybe a few lines here it is removed, around 60 lines of code. Addition function, subtract function and a multiply function, divide function, independently creating functions. All the functions, and the calculator it's it's accepting a function with 3 parameters. It's accepting user inputs, which operator user is saying taken, return, add. It's passing AB, subtract, multiplication according to the user input of character, which functionality want to be get. Yes, it's going. Other than if there is a no symbol, it is a user is entered, it says that invalid operator. So the main function it is created to call the functionality. It's a main. When we are accepting calling a functionality, we need to call the main. So it is calling, it's asking int user input. Input is a collecting key a user what he is entering inside the keyboard. Second input, a whole program, the productivity, increasing your productivity in less time. So these all are AI techniques only you are going to learn step by step in our future reference of our entire Python course. So I'll teach you what the variables, how to define a function, what the variables and how to pass the variables to the functions. Very basics with the help only Tabnine AI only will trying to learn how to ask, how to get source code completions and how to make quick productivity and make master in Python language. We'll learn step by step in scratch level from the beginning. On next lectures onwards, we'll see a great experience. Stay tuned. We'll catch you soon. Thank you.